What the hell is wrong with you, lad? How could you get out of your room and go to another room just so you can't use another computer? That will also count as another turn off qualification. Also, since you tried to use another computer, this error can't transport into this information computer since you entered this room. This computer also runs Windows XP. So, since you have Windows XP, you have to deal with me for 10 chances. I have also locked the doors behind you so you can't never open them until your 10 chances are up. I have also put up the text box that displays how many chances are remaining until you escape this room.